We got some switty. Well, I don't even know what word switty. Pretty sweet, I think I was trying to say. Haven't jump on board, get on the ride. Also, yeah, see you tomorrow. Radio Fam, it's like day 3000. I'm joking, it's like day 38, 39 of the one video a day challenge that I'm doing. It's Win with Damien. That's where you landed. If you want to know more about what I'm doing, there's some details below. Or just hit me up on Facebook and let's have a yarn, eh? Let's have a chat. So today's video is about, just going to tell you what I did today. One of those ones. But it was a big day, so got up, did the normal jam. We did our morning routine as we do every single day because we want to start the day with a bang. And that morning routine does that, so I do that every day. Happy days. Got up, did my morning post on Facebook and Instagram, and then it was on. It was go. And this was about... Well, I got onto the computer about 7:30 in the morning. It took me about an hour to get the post ready and get that out to you guys out there. And then once I'd done that, it was straight into the IPAs. And that's the income producing activities, ladies and gentlemen. And today, that was inbox marketing. So I was going a little bit ham on the inbox marketing and creating groups for my leaders so they can speak to prospects that I'm talking to at the moment. The reason why I've created these groups is I've got to a certain point where I've built the rapport, I've told them all about what we do, I've learned about them, and now I'm going to use my leaders to seal the deal for me. So, happy days. So that's going to be interesting. You know, let your leaders do the selling. So, you know, and this is great because what happens now in these group chats, I get to see the masters at their work. And my master, my queen, who I'm being mentored at the moment, is Asia. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out Asia Love on Facebook, see what she does. Might be your jam. She's a great mentor, great person, great friend, family and friends. Fantastico. So I did that, and whilst I was doing that, I was having a sick voice message convo with my big dog Thor Man, and we were just bouncing off some hectic ideas. We got some switty. Well, I don't even know what the word switty. Pretty sweet, I think I was trying to say. Pretty sweet ideas cooking up, and you know we're just talking about taking over the world together, which is pretty cool. Just jamming out general convo like that. If you guys know us on social media, you know what we're like together. Excuse me, what? So yeah, I jammed out those IPAs, a few little getting back to adding some people that have liked my posts in, you know, the Make Money Online, Network Marketing Online, you know, all those sort of groups. A couple of people that liked my post, so I added them and sent them a message, so we'll see how that goes. Also, I've started posting in the vegan bodybuilding fitness because for some reason I wasn't. Well, now I am, so that's pretty cool. So I'm getting some traction with that, which is fantastic. So I'm going to start talking to the people that like those posts. Another way to generate free leads, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, and then I was zooming with Betsy, so Betsy's jumping on board. She's going to get coached by myself in the health and fitness realm. We're excited to get her back on board. So, yeah, we did our first Zoom call. We'll be catching up weekly to manage that. So that's going to be excited. She's excited. I'm excited. Just going to be a really fun and, you know, just going to be good to help her out. That's what it's going to be. That's going to be the best part, helping someone out. So we jammed on that Zoom with Betsy for a while, then we jammed on to a Zoom with Ryan, which is fantastic. Ryan's another one that I'm helping out with his fitness. He, fantastic, very coachable. He's really, really been crushing it, and he's seeing some results, which is great. So spent some time with him, and spoke about some other stuff and other things that we're brewing up as well, which is fantastic. Another great thing about the family and the group that I'm part of is all these great connections and friendships being formed and solidified. Then I was going to get on another Webby Zoom call with T-Shop. I was done by then though, so I had to have a break. I went up with my mate. We went for a walk. We talked some shops. So he's actually doing trying to get his business going as well, a little bit on the side, and he it's going to be great because it's very aligned with what I sort of do. So we were talking a little bit of shop. He's not so much on the online part, but I'm going to be able to generate leads. So at some point I'll be generating that many leads for that many different businesses. It won't be funny. So if I want to, do you know what I mean? Because the process that I'm following, you can generate leads for any business. That is the beauty of it. So yeah, we jammed out that. He was excited that I'm building this skill set because it's all about helping others help others. So that could be another opportunity. I can help my mate's business grow by helping him generate leads or teaching him how to generate leads online. And so yeah, then I came back home, and it doesn't seem like it, but I've after I stopped at 2 and then came back and sort of chilled out, like the neck started. It's not so much all day, but then all of a sudden I just end up with this headache at the front of my head, and when I'm trying to do the training and that, and staring at the Solomon CEO, the screen, it just canes my eyes and it makes the headache worse. So yeah, I'm being a little sooky lala, but still got to look after yourself, and I've jammed out a pretty good day, I feel. Got around and did some stuff. So you're just getting this video, and yeah, that should finish it. I'm just going to ramble now. So I love you guys heaps who follow, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, jump on board, get on the ride. Also, yeah, see you tomorrow for day 39, 40. How's that sound?